Let's go, Mama. That's a safe zone. That's like the eye of the storm. Ah! Yay! Did it? Yes, SpongeBob. Come on, Betty. Want to try again? Go ahead. What? What? You want me to run through with you? Ready? Oh, here we go. Oh, careful. Careful. Was that crazy? Want to try again?
Crazy.
Crazy. Want to try again? Ready? You scared? You scared? You scared? Let's go get Mommy quickly. We got Mama. Can we get Mama? All right, Harlan, be brave. Are you gonna touch it? What do you think? He like goes into the safe zone. Oh, okay. Did you get wet? I got wet. Hey, Harlan. Are you in a silly sprinkler? Oh, you're brave. Oh, come on. Come on, Harlan. They can get wet, but it's okay. All right, here we go.